Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Redmi Note 9. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you need to jump over in your device settings section. After click over there, scroll down and then you will find here something called wallpaper. Simply click that and here you will see all the wallpaper you have in your phone. If you have any picture in your phone, you're going to see here, but in this phone there is no picture, and there is also some pre-installed wallpaper. From here you can see there is a bunch of wallpaper available. If you want any wallpaper, you can easily choose that wallpaper. And now this is, you can see, it's a preview skin. And now if you want to apply, you need to click here, easily apply, and then a pop-up going to be appear. In this pop-up is saying do you want to set a lock skin or set a home skin or set both. So I'm going to choose here only for wallpaper, so I'm choose here set as home skin. Now if I go back, you can see my phone immediately change that wallpaper. So this is how you can easily change wallpaper in your Redmi Note 9. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.